We are getting straight into hiding those distracting toolbars and maximizing your browser screen space on your desktop PC using Brave. Head up to the top right corner of your browser window and locate the three horizontal lines menu icon. Go ahead and click on that to open your main options list. Move your cursor down the list until you spot the zoom controls section. Right next to the zoom buttons on the far right side, you will notice a small square box icon. Hovering over it will reveal the full screen label. Click that box once, and your browser instantly expands to cover every inch of your display, completely stripping away the web address bar, your saved bookmarks, and all desktop clutter so you can focus entirely on your content. The important thing is understanding the trade-off with this view. When you hide these top navigation bars to gain that extra viewing area, you also lose immediate visual access to your tabs, the URL bar for typing new web addresses, and your extensions. To search for a new site or switch tabs, you have to exit this mode first, or use keyboard shortcuts to bring those elements back up. If you prefer using your keyboard rather than navigating menus, there is a much faster shortcut to toggle this on and off instantly. Simply press the F11 key located along the top row of your physical keyboard. Tapping F11 instantly forces Brave into full screen display without clicking through any settings menus at all. Pressing that exact same F11 key a second time immediately reverses the action and brings back your standard browser window with all your tabs and address bars visible. Alternatively, if you are currently immersed in full screen mode and do not want to reach for your keyboard, you can use your mouse to restore the original setup. Just find any blank, empty space on the web page you are viewing and right-click with your mouse. A short contextual menu will pop up directly at your cursor location. Look for the option that says Exit Full Screen and click it. That instantly drops you right back out into the normal desktop layout with your traditional window controls intact.